Hey guys, Mark here, joined out here on location again with my little chicken.
Hi.
We are doing a next level skill challenge again. So we found a nice big rock. So anyway, here's our competitors lined up on the start, and the very first run for Betty versus Green Apple. Hey, object is, got to get up there, up that ledge, all the way up and over that rock there, back down, across here, up onto that one there, crossing over to here, all the way over there. The camera doesn't do the slope or anything on this Justice, guys. Around this corner here, which has got a bit of a camber on it and some hills, back up that rock there, onto the top for the finish. Let's see how we go, guys. Betty's first run. Righto. Here's Betty's first ever drive. Never touched the dirt anywhere. Only thing I've done to them is put the brass wheel weights in them. It looks like it actually scrubs on its guards a little bit, so I might have to trim those a tad. Well, we got a decent drop off here. Oh, and we're up. Your turn, Chloe. Oh, nice patience there, sweetie. Oh, good skills. Good work, Chloe. Oh, this is a difficult little crevice. Can tip easily. Got to take it slow. Oh, and we're through. Oh, nice work, Chloe. Oh, well done. Well, this is a bit tricky, trying to get up onto that ledge. Right, your turn, Chloe. Oh, nice line.
Didn't you say it was tricky? That was easy.
Righto, wheel up there. Dad's the first. Right, your turn, Chloe.
Okay.
No, back her up. Ah, patience, girl. Yeah, that's it. Go slower. Yeah, no, that was it. Turn the other way and back. Back her up. Turn. Now back her up. Now turn right. That's it. That's it. Good girl.
And a second to make it.
Well done. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.